I'm the Queen.
I'm Angel.
I'm Baby Lay.
And today, we're going to be popping fireworks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit that share button, by the way.
Wait.
Let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got.
You show me your tip. Show me your tip.
One person. Get the old sparkles. Let's show them.
Yeah, let me get the
What's that? That's cool.
Okay, let's show the camera.
And they glow in the dark, so they put them in the
Let's get to it. Open them up. Everybody get a sparkle. The adult has a lighter, which is me. They're not sparkles. Whoa! I thought that one we had any sparkles. Put that one back. Let's see what else we have. Put that one back.
Don't scare sparklers.
Y'all can try it.
Alright, let me get it.
Just be careful. Just be careful.
Yeah, it's enough.
I'm trying to get
Be careful. Don't break. Don't break. Be careful.
I gotta get the sparkle.
Open the whole thing. Open the whole thing. Just be careful. Don't rip it or break it.
She said, okay, but open up your
Hold on, wait.
How do you take this out?
Just lift it up.
Yeah, you gotta lift the tape.
Take the tape off. You can take it off. Take it off gently.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. There. Yeah, oh, be careful. Get that box.
Where's the spark? He ain't got a sparkler, y'all.
Okay, so what is this? Open it. Hold on.
Alright, y'all.
Hold on. She's about to open it. No, she's about to. Stop. Hold on, wait. Glad you did it. Y'all want to start the mini ones?
I'm gonna open and make it think. We're gonna open these.
You can open the next one. We're going to leave this right here. Everybody choose a color. And I'm going to set y'all colors on fire. You choose blue. Show YouTube y'all colors. No, y'all don't have to get the sun. What about me? Okay. I got red. Okay, now just come over here. Where is she? Sit it down. A flat tire. You gotta get the flat tire. We're gonna do this. No, this. I'm going to sit it on here. And I'm gonna light up and everybody run. Everybody back up. I have the light. Okay. Okay, the next person, sit yours down. Oh, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Next person. Next person. the roses. The one we kept talking about. And this better be what we talking about. I hope it's giving what we see. And the way she put that in there is so dangerous. But we like it. Like that. What? Where? Yeah, get back. That's pretty, but it might start. Yeah, me too. What other little ones at? Put them down. That's a great one. Them are so little. Back up. That's cute. What be going on?